All right, we are at Wingspan Park, and this is where I'm gonna start my ride. I'm going from here. I'm at the park. This is the other side here. Road that runs along. I'm gonna head all the way to the 133. There's a road that, these two parks that connect, and there's a dirt road that connects and rides up. I just checked it on my maps, and I'm gonna see what it looks like in real life. Let's go. Big kicker right here. Oh, and second one. Oh, almost came down 2 notes heavy there. All right, this is the dirt road that gets us over here. Step off. A little hard. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. Kick. You. So it came that way, we're going this way. Phew. That's not the best, steep rocks. Okay, here we go. This is what I saw on the map, so let's see where it takes us. Right next to the road here. Whoa. Kind of want to hit that. Whoa, really steep. That was weird. Not very good for launching. Guess that's the path up to this tower. Huh? I really don't want people climbing up there. Understandably. Alright. Let's get back to this road. Just wanted to see if there's anything cool. Looks like crazy sketchy hit. Those are the trails I don't see over there. Sand. Huh. There's Hummingbird Park. Saw this also. That's a turn. sand. All right. Yes, so I want to go not this way. I want to back out, go to the street, and then is that the trail I wanted to take? I really wanted to see how to get to that one. Yeah, so let's go here. Hey, yeah. Sand, bronze, oaks in between me. So I'm gonna go back into the neighborhood. I said, not across. Been across onto the 133 to the lake. It's cool. It's a good ride, honestly. Haven't videoed it yet, but I will next time. But I'm trying to figure out. Into Hummingbird Park. All right. Yeah, up here, right, stay to the right. And I came from the left one. Woohoo! This is it, boys. Wow! Oh, it's tight. Oh. Left. Guessing. Yes, I think I'm going the right way. Woo! Yep. Hell yeah. We're doing this! Oh, new trail found! Ooh, look at this. Firm. Oh, wow. Jump, boys. Not me. Ooh, that's pretty steep there. Down the cliff. Flat out. Ooh, good thing I didn't fall up here. Gotta be careful now. Oh, that's a lot of cactus. Cacti. Whew. Very dry in the mouth. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I'm sweating just thinking about falling into these cactuses. It's a lot of fucking coyote poop up here, eh? Or some big fucking poo. It's pretty damn fresh too, eh? There we go. Phew! Alright, oh man, this thing really goes. Let's go. Away. You. Hey, nice backyard, dog. Pretty sick spot. That's the 73, 133. Thought we were gonna connect, but I forgot we were gonna run into this. That looks like it'd be pretty fun too. But yeah, let's see what's down here. Big rocks are a no-no. Interesting that there's a trail this way. Wonder what it goes to. Nope. There's nothing. Like somebody put up lawn shit. Don't wanna follow you. Sometimes it's just easier to do it by hand. Oh, that's a large ass cactus. I do not want to run into those because I don't want to pop a tire either. My black tire is low. Fuck me in the ass. Oh, she's open. She be open. Yeah. Not much though. Work smarter, not harder. Woo! Not bad. Call that Hummingbird Trail then. And it leaves you. Oh, where exactly are we? At the bottom of the hill. Yeah. I'll just go that way. Whew. Let's go. Oh, sweaty. I wear the black, I shouldn't say I wear black, but I wear jeans so I don't get scratched, but man.